What is up, iOS users, iPhone, iPad, whether your device is new or old. This episode is going to be dedicated for you, and I'm going to be and I'm going to be giving you the top 5 iOS apps for the month of September. Without further ado, let's roll that intro. Hey, it's AKAJK, welcome back to another episode of the AKAJK Show. The filming location is a bit different, it might be a little bit bright or something, I'm sorry for that. But I will be back to my normal filming location back on the other side of the cottage pretty soon, and then hopefully we can get a full setup studio as soon as possible. Anyways, in this episode I'm going to be covering the best apps for iOS, so the top 5 for this month. I do have this as a series that happens every single month, so make sure to subscribe and turn notifications so you're notified every time that happens. I do believe this video was premiered on YouTube, as with the last few videos that I've been making. So if you're enjoying the premieres, or if you're on the premiere right now, hi, make sure to let me know in the live chat what you're thinking so far, you're hyped for this video. Without further ado, let's jump in. So the first app on today's list is called AKAJK. I made a full dedicated video on everything regarding this app, but let me just give you a quick rundown. So we all love music as far as my observation of people go, but day by day it gets more and more expensive, with most of them costing $9.99 a month, which equates to $120 each single year just to listen to music and download. So we're all looking for that free option where we can download music and listen to it offline. AKAJK is that solution. The app is nice, beautiful, has a very clean It has a very clean UI, black background with like orange text and white text and bold, and it pops out and the colors pop out. It just looks really visually appealing. You can pretty much find every song in the world on there. English, Spanish, Arabic, Italian, some alien language. Honestly, you'll find it on this app. Really great. Download, create a playlist, upload your own music. Definitely recommend downloading this app. But before I finish off with this app, I do have a Spotify playlist which I update every single week. 28 epic tracks, updated every single Monday for your weekly grind. Now this app has things like a trending page, suggested, browse, search, all that kind of jazz which Spotify has, and this app has brought it in. The only bad thing about it is it does have ads. It is free, you can download for free, offline for free, all that kind of jazz, so ads is pretty much something that you would be expecting from this app, so on to the next one. Número 2 is Waze. This is a navigation app, but it's not your usual standard boring navigation app like Apple Maps or Google Maps, which sometimes don't work, don't have all the locations, are a bit tacky. This one is just amazing. Now, Waze not only doesn't really glitch or crash or get ruined, it has loads of weird cool features up its sleeve that I'm going to discuss. It's essentially taken the normal, usually plain navigation app and just given it that power that it requires. But aside from the features, I just want to give you some context. So basically, I was heading to this trampoline park in Oman. I had no idea where the place was. Downloaded Waze after trying to use Apple Maps, Google Maps, none of that worked. So downloaded Waze, got the directions, and we left.
800 meters. Turn left.
Okay. It gave us on the way, told us when there were going to be speed traps, when we should slow down, when we should, like, obviously the usual navigation stuff. It told us road work that was happening, all that kind of jazz. It told us and notified us on this app, which is pretty amazing. For me, mainly the speed trap thing I really liked, because obviously going over speed will get you fined. You don't want to get fined, so with this, it's going to stop you from getting fined. So overall, this app is really good. Haven't really found any negatives with it so far, but if I do, I'll make an update video or something. Number 3 is called Lumosity. This is something different than you'd usually be seeing on a regular apps video or in the App Store. This app gives you daily mental challenges. By mental, I don't mean mental. I just mean, mental. For your brain, challenges that challenge your brain. I like to do these before I have an exam. I like to do this a few times a week. They're very helpful. Basically, this kind of gets you into a mental state which allows you to focus and just, complete things that you need to do well, there are many different kinds of tasks in this app, such as things regarding agility, where you have to be able to jump from different tasks to another and switch your thinking. You've got things regarding attention.
Do I have your full attention?
All sorts of stuff. My favorite is one where you have a coffee machine and you have orders which you have to complete as fast as possible, because I'm a coffee addict. Starbucks mug. Anyways, I really like this app. The only issue is it gives you only 3 challenges every single day, and it keeps alternating them with the free option. So, I mean, you probably wouldn't be doing more than 3 a day, but sometimes you want to try different ones. Sometimes it's alternated some, and you want to try other features and things like that. You need the paid option. The free option is still very good, and I used it and had no problems with it. Number 4 is night time. Don't be taking shots at my spelling. That is actually how it is spelled on the app. That is actually how the app is spelled normally with an N-I-T-E. It's obviously supposed to be funny or something, so yeah. This is a clock app. Now, a clock app, why are you suggesting this to me? Really? That's what you're thinking right now, probably. Well, here's why. This clock app is amazing. I turn it on before I go to bed every night, and I keep it there, so whenever I want to check the time, I just check my phone, and I will see a massive, bold, black and red clock. So much easier to see than the tiny white Apple clock logo thing in the top of your phone. Really small, really hard to see. This is so much better. This is for free, red and black, bold, very clear to see. If you want to get the paid version, you have to pay a few extra dollars, and you'll be able to customize all the colors and things like that in the application. I use the free version, works super well. Use it all the time. Yeah, number 5 got super screwed with synchronization and all that jazz, so apologize for that, and apologize for anything in the background. Anyways, number 5 is an app called Steve. This is a sort of game. This is a more full-on game, unlike Lumosity, but it's not something you'd sort of actively search for on your phone. Here's why. This is essentially the no Wi-Fi dinosaur game that
Wi-Fi dinosaur.
Google have when you lose Wi-Fi. They kind of made it so you can stay on their program and not leave, to kind of distract you while the Wi-Fi is getting sorted out. Now, some geniuses brought this game over from Google to iOS, and now it lives in your widgets tab, and you can play the game with the dinosaur Steve and jump, and there's cacti and pterodactyls and all that kind of jazz. So I'll quickly move over here, get the game playing over there. Basically, this game is real fun. You can buy different characters with their coins that you can collect in this version of the game. Watch ads to collect more coins. So I got this like Unikitty kind of thing, like rainbow clouds all over, and she like squirts out rainbows or something like that. Real cool, real funny. This app is just something real fun. Obviously, I don't really get that much time to play games at all, but this is one of the better games that I've seen. Now, quickly, for anyone on the live premiere right now, hi, make sure to let me know in the live chat what you're thinking so far, which game you're going to download. You should really download all of them. They're all free, and they're all great. There's really no reason not to download it unless you have only like 16 GB storage, which is mad. Now, if you did enjoy this video, despite this stuff that happened in the end, make sure to smash that like button, Peter McKinnon 2018 style. And, of course, subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out and enables me to be able to create these 2 videos every single day. Aside from that, if you like music, make sure obviously to go check out my Spotify playlist that I discussed at the beginning of the video. The Weekly Grind on Spotify, make sure to subscribe to it or follow it or whatever. That's about it for this episode, and hopefully you'll join me on the live premiere tonight, 6 PM for the vlog. Because here at JK Media, the grind is daily.